if you're interested, we open a brand new online coaching starting the 9th of September. It's really exciting. There's going to be a bunch of concepts, a bunch of different levels of instructions, more for beginners, for advanced, for intermediates, and we have a lot of challenges. It's really interactive, but we're going to exchange a lot with you, not just online classes, but more coaching. It's going to be fun. So if you're interested, go to our website, thibaultnicole.com/online, and you'll see all the info.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
And 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, we are at Desert City Swing 2024 with Nicole.
And Thibault.
So we worked on shaping and keeping the clear base, just adding a bit more contrast into it. So we have a sugar push, 1 and the 2, 3, and. So leaders, my hand will be in rotation towards the right side. I'm gonna keep this angle for the 4. 5 and 6, you continue. 5 and 6. My goal is to stop on 6. Slow weight transfer, you want to delay this step here.
Yes, that's 6, I'm making sure I'm staying in the tension, but I'm also rising, following his energy with his body, rising with it, and then falling as soon as that hand starts to come down. That allows me to anchor into that hip.
So we're gonna have and the 1 and the 2. First inside turn for the exit right here. That's the first option, right?
Yes.
If we show this way, we have a 1 and the 2, 3 and the 4, 5 and 6, and the 1 and the 2. Leaders, I'm gonna ask my forward to stay more in place for the rotation. I'm gonna catch the back directly to stop my follower, stop the travel.
It's gonna be a turn almost in place. I'm gonna go for my triple closed dance position for the step.
I'm widening my frame to stop my follower. I have some compression right here. We're gonna ask for a twist, stay mostly in place, leaders.
Followers are transferring onto the right foot for that twist. Transfer right. And from here, it's gonna unravel, transferring back onto the left foot.
So I'm more in place and I want to go lower. My goal is to have a difference in the level. We're gonna go 5, weight transfer, 5 and 6 right here, 7 and 8, walk for the followers, stay in place, leaders.
Walk.
7, 8,
line.
1 and the 2, and you have the exit
Free
right
spin,
here.
and you can do it again. Yes.
So I can do exactly the same, asking for a one-footed turn to my follower, catch the hip at the end. It's gonna be a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, a 5, 6, a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6.
So this one's very, very similar to the one that we just did. Instead of me wanting to release in the frame, I would push down for the ronde, coming around. This one, I want to release high. So that twist is going to be in a nice deep plie to then unravel towards the sky, catching the hip, transferring onto the right foot to find my line, transferring again to then triple into closed dance position, and then coming back. Show you the options.
She's my LA lady and a New York queen. Show her how I feel in my California king. No music on, but with dirty dancing. Show her how I feel in my California king. Let me take you downtown and show you LA. I've been there once or twice, don't got nothing to say, 'cause you're
All right, thank you so much everyone, good job.